Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today we're going to have baked barbecue chicken, and also I'm going to show you guys how I prepared my frozen dumplings, okay? It's going to be so good, guys. Let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, as you can see, I have my chicken already marinade, okay? And also I have my dumplings, pork vegetable dumplings, okay? And this is the kind I'm going to use, guys. It's very good, okay? And what I'm going to do, I have a little bit of barbecue sauce, and I'm going to because I don't want to use a hot really hot pepper, I'm going to use this hot sauce, okay? And also to add a little bit of a flavor, I'm going to use this sauce, hoisin sauce, okay? It's gonna be so good, guys. I love this sauce. And then for my dumplings, I'm going to add some vegetables in my oil, okay? I have garlic, okay? And what we're going to do first, guys, we're going to cook our chicken first. Okay, they heat up, okay? What I did, guys, those are chicken thighs, okay? You see that? I cut them little pieces so they can get the flavor I'm looking for. Okay, let me put them in. This thing need to warm up fast. Okay. And after that, we're going to make some sauce, barbecue sauce. It's up to you guys. If you want to just go straight up, just straight up for your regular barbecue sauce, it's up to you. But I like adding more flavors to my sauce. Okay. Alright. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back, we'll start with our sauce, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to check on our chicken, okay? Let me show you guys what's going on. Okay. Almost ready. Let me see if I need anything, guys. Very good. It's very good, guys. Okay. Let me just cover it up, let it cook. What we're going to do next, guys, we're going to start with our sauce, barbecue sauce. Okay. Going to add a little bit of olive oil, not too much. Okay. A little bit of garlic. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add my barbecue sauce. Okay. And my hot sauce. So just 1 tablespoon. Okay, it's very hot, guys. A little bit, not too much. It's very hot. Okay. Okay, I have to open that, guys. When we come back, I'll show you guys everything else. Okay, let me open. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my hoisin sauce. Another one. Yeah. Okay. Telling you guys, so good when you do your barbecue sauce like that. It's very delicious. Okay. Now I'm going to add a little bit of warm water, not too much, because I don't want it to, you know, like get too thick. Okay. Let me give it a taste. See, I need anything. Guys, it's so good and a little bit spicy. That's what we're looking for. Okay guys, when we come back guys, we'll finish up, okay? Come back. Okay guys, my chicken is done. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this pizza tray for my chicken. Okay, I'm going to spray it, okay, with my ham. Because the reason I'm doing that guys, I don't want my chicken to, you know, get stuck. Let me get a piece of napkin at the bottom. And I don't want to have too much to deal with. Okay. Okay guys, when I'm finished with that, I'm going to just put that in the oven for like 45 minutes or less, because they already cooked. Okay, on 450. Okay, 450, because I don't want to waste too much time guys. Okay, when we come back we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time for our dumplings. Okay, I'm going to add some olive oil. Okay, so I can fry them up. Okay, my barbecue sauce already done guys. Look at that, tastes so good guys. You guys should try that. Okay, now I'm adding my garlic. Okay guys, whenever you have your frozen dumplings, whatever, I don't know how you guys make it, try this way, you're gonna love it. When you add flavor to it guys, it's so delicious. Okay, now I'm adding my onion and pepper, bell peppers. Okay, okay, now what I'm going to do now, going to start adding them in the pot. My hand already clean up guys, don't worry. Okay, just that. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Okay, some Italian seasoning guys. Okay, and black pepper. Guys, this is the best way to make your dumplings. Garlic powder and onion powder guys. Okay, now I'm going to let it do its thing. Okay, and when we come back, we'll check on everything. Okay, come back. Guys, now they are ready to come out. Okay, you see that? Okay, that looks very nice. Okay, put them down. Okay, and when we finish with that, we're going to do the other one the same way. Okay. Okay, I'm going to finish the other ones. When we come back, I'll show you guys everything else. Okay, come back. Okay guys, everything's ready. Now it's time for my sauce. Okay, I'm going to add my sauce, my barbecue sauce. Okay, you see that? Oh, let me show you my chicken. Okay, so let me add my sauce. Okay, guys, this is the best way to make your barbecue chicken and your pan-fried dumplings. Okay, you see that? I'm going to just keep mixing it up. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back, everything should be ready. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything's ready. Let me show you my plate. Okay, that's it. Okay, I have my soy sauce. Okay, my dumplings. Okay, my chicken, barbecue chicken. Guys, it's very good. Tastes very good. Okay, if you like, just give it a try, guys. Okay. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Remember to share with your family and friends, and enjoy. Bye.